In this fast-paced digital world, content creation has helped in a great way in boosting SEO, creating remarkable user experience and trust, attracting visitors, and generating leads, and promotion and sharing. This pandemic has brought multiple changes in this world, and one of the most prominent one is the fast digitalization of content, which is best suited for the adaptive learners of this age, be it in school, college, or corporate. You have an idea of great content, and we have a wealth of experience in designing and creating custom e-learning solutions for companies like you. In this digital world, letstute can help you in this. Letstute is a content creation company that can turn your ideas into reality. Content can be in a variety of formats like audio, animations, explanatory videos, worksheets, quizzes, or mere translation of your existing content into a different language for a better understanding of the learners. Based on your target audience, we can create a custom e-learning library that will help them to learn and upgrade themselves at their own pace and at their comfort at home or any other place. We have more than 8 years of experience in creating smart content for the K-12 segment, which feels different while being interactive, engaging, and creative. Not just K-12, we have also created customized e-learning modules for corporates like accounting, GST, Tally, Excel, income tax, spoken English, other employee training modules, and much more. Micro-learning courses of just 5 minutes of video covering the entire concept. Let's have a look at some of our projects. So, how do we deliver this awesome content to you? We have more than 50 plus people on our panel, which includes creators, subject matter experts, animators, video creators, and illustrators with humongous experience. letstute has a worldwide reach with 10 plus YouTube channels, and our courses are available on Udemy with an average rating of 4.2 stars. Please connect with us for more information or visit our website www.letstute.com.